Leetcode did a challenge. Question 1980. Find a unique binary string. This is a medium problem. The question is asking us to find out a missing string. This missing string could be any combination of the binary representation of a huge number, which is scary, but actually it is quite simple problem. The trick here is we do know that the maximum length of this array is 16, which means if we can try 17 numbers, there's gonna be one number missing from this array. If we can try any number, any 17 numbers, of course we can try number from 0 to 16. Of course, we know the binary representation of 0, which is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And even for 16, it will be something 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, blah, 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 1, 0, 0, 0. So these will be the 17 strings we can check if it is in the given array. So at this point, we can turn this question into a very simple question. If string A is in string B, or array numbers, that's very simple in Python, and we can. That's why I was saying that this is a quite easy problem, but that's the approach we're gonna solve this problem.